Fam, I fought for my life, I'm mentally stuck. Fam, I jump out my chair, you're mentioning buck. They just locked niggas up, they sent for the cuffs. Had to call up my girl and sent for my stuff. From the day I walked out, it went through my guts. So in charge, everybody's watching, niggas, so it starts. Everybody's watching thinking, oh, we're stars. Everybody's showing cards. And that's that. A man's just pussy like a black cat.